Well, studies have shown that the best investment we can make in our home is in our landscaping, a greater return than even a basement or kitchen renovation. And how are we going to renovate our homes? Maybe you have an established home and can't quite figure out how to change it up. Well, adding potted trees to your landscaping is a great way to go. Whether it's looking for more shade in that hot backyard, or you just want to add some punch and increase the overall curb appeal of your yard, a potted tree is a good idea. There are a wide variety of trees available in pots, and we can get them into any space that we can walk in. So whether you have a narrow gate coming in through the side of the house or whatever, you can bring in that beautiful potted tree. They're really easy to install, and it's important to understand that you just want to make sure you don't plant them too deep. So the same depth of the soil that's in the pot, use really good soil around, and a transplant fertilizer will get you started off on the right foot and enjoy it for years to come.